channel and welcome back to another Korean skincare review vlog. So today I'll be reviewing 3 products from iUNIK, which is a non-mainstream Korean skincare brand that focuses on simplicity. So they strive to make use of simple, natural yet effective ingredients to create gentle products that is suitable for everyone. This isn't the first time I'm doing a review for iUNIK, so if you have yet to see my first review for them, I'll leave the link in the card right over here. So after my first review for iUNIK, they sent me another 3 products of my choice to try out. So to be honest, I've had these items for a really long time right now, like I want to say close to a month. So after I finished filming my skincare review for Wish Trend, I started testing out these products. So I think it's safe to say that I've been using them for about a month or slightly longer than that. So today I will be sharing my thoughts about them with you guys. So the first item I chose is the Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam, and there are 2 reasons why I chose this product. And the first reason is because this product has Centella in it, and I feel like I've said this like a billion times now that I can just remember it from the top of my head. But yeah, Centella is basically a plant ingredient that is known for its natural healing abilities. So it's known to be able to heal acne scars as well as acne, which is why it is such a popular ingredient in Korean skincare products. And then the second reason is because I've never actually used a bubble cleansing foam, and I'm actually really keen on trying it because I know a lot of brands have been releasing like foam cleansers, so I really wanted to try one, so I thought this would be a great chance. So my first impression of this product is that it smells really good. It has a really mild, like calming fragrance to it, and the first time I used it I wasn't too sure how to use it. So my face was already wet, and then I put like 2 pumps, and then I noticed that the foam just dissolves very easily and it doesn't feel very effective in cleaning my face. So after that I realized that it's a lot better if you keep your face damp instead of wet, so the foam can hold its structure and it is able to like properly clean your face. So I mostly use this cleanser at the gym, so I just put this in my gym bag, and I think I will keep it that way because I feel like this cleanser is more suitable for either morning use or when like you don't have any makeup on. So for me, when I don't have any makeup on, that will be when I am at the gym, because I feel like this cleanser feels very gentle, and probably too gentle for my liking because I have oily skin and I just prefer something that is extremely like deep cleansing. So I feel like this one is more on the gentle side. So yeah, it doesn't make my skin feel tight or anything, which is why I like to use it either in the morning or when I'm at the gym. So for nighttime, when I have makeup on and I have to do like double cleansing, I prefer something that is a lot more deep cleansing. So the next product is a serum, and this is the Tea Tree Relief Serum. So previously, for my previous review for iUNIK, I received the Tea Tree Relief Toner. So this is from the same range as that. So this serum, similar to the toner, contains 2 main ingredients, which are Centella, Asiatica, as well as tea tree. So these 2 ingredients are extremely popular for treating acne, so that's kind of like the reason why I decided to pick this serum, because I have oily skin and I deal with acne, so I thought that this would be very suitable for me. So previously I used the Black Snail serum, and I noticed that the texture is a little bit different. The Black Snail serum has a thick consistency and more like a gooey consistency, probably because of the snail mucus. So this one is a lot more light and it just blends out really easily. It's like a really thin like serum texture, as you can see from the footage, and it's completely fragrance free, like it doesn't have any scent at all. So other than tackling acne problems, this serum also has whitening as well as anti-aging properties. Again, I feel like when it comes to products like serums, it's really difficult to see like a drastic difference in your skin. Maybe because my skin isn't too bad to begin with, I don't know, but I hardly see any difference when I switch from the Black Snail serum to this one. So yeah, all I can say is that so far my skin feels comfortable with it and I don't feel any irritation going on, so I am still using this every night. The final product is the Centella Calming Gel Cream, and oh my god, this feels so light. I think I'm probably left with like this much. But yeah, this is a moisturizer, and if you watch my previous May favorites, you'll know that the iUNIK moisturizer that I received the previous time made it to the list. So I was extremely excited to try out another one of their moisturizers, and turns out I really like this, and I think I like this even more than the previous one because I like the previous one because it has a really thick like gel texture, so it doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel uncomfortable, and it sits very well in the makeup. And this one feels even lighter than that. So being a person with oily skin, I just prefer moisturizers with a lighter consistency and a lighter texture, and I just feel like this just feels like aloe vera to me. It feels very cooling, and I think that's the reason why it's called a calming gel, because it feels like aloe vera. So I actually brought this with me on my Phuket holiday, so I think I made the right choice because it just really helps to calm my skin down after all the sun exposure that I had in Phuket. Once again, this product has two main ingredients, which are Centella and Tea Tree. The final reason why I really like the moisturizer from iUNIK is because they all come in this tube packaging, which is super easy to use, and I find that it's extremely hygienic. I also like bringing this with me to the gym. I just feel that it's cleaner that you just squeeze it out from the tube rather than dipping your entire finger in the tub. So those are all three products from iUNIK. I feel like I've definitely been enjoying these three products again, especially the moisturizer, and I feel like it might actually be one of my favorite moisturizers ever. So yeah, I really like this product. So yeah, I feel like even though iUNIK don't have a crazy like wide range of skincare products to choose from, there is everything for every skin type. So if you're interested in their products, I'll leave their link and their website in the description box below, so open that up and go check them out. Also, I want to say that all their products are extremely affordable, so if you're on a budget, make sure to check them out. So with that, we have come to the end of this episode of Korean skincare review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!